Hello everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. Ajiro Tech. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Cambridge Assessment International Education, IGCSE Information and Communication Technology with the course code 0417/0983, variant 02, October-November 2023, paper 2, document production. This is something you see in chapter 17 of the textbook. Okay, so let's go ahead. The instructions are very important. Please follow through the instructions. This is very, very important. Okay. Total mark for this paper is 70 for the whole paper too. Okay. You've been supplied with the following source files. Okay, right here, the RTF, the CXVs, the RTF, just you've been supplied with this. Okay. Tax 1 evidence document has been created right here. And if you're just wondering what is happening, please, I have my database presentation videos right there on my YouTube channel, so you can just go there and have fun and see how all these things were done. Okay. Tax 2. You're going to edit a report about video gaming. The company uses a corporate house style for all their document. Paragraph style must be created, take note of that, modified and applied as instructed. Using a suitable software, open the file n2202review.rtf. Please take note of this, that this is a type of generic file. It means the rich text format, okay? This is something you see in chapter 11 of the textbook. Now, a suitable software to open this, according to the textbook, okay, is the Microsoft Word. Okay, so please, you don't use any other like Google Docs or whatever. The Microsoft Word is the recommended software for document production. Okay, take note of that. So let's open this. Review, just check. Yes. So it's already, at default, it's going to open with my Word document. So I can just click on it and it's going to open. Make it 110. 100. Sorry. The page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation with a 2.5 centimeter margin. Do not make any changes to the settings. It's already there. You don't have to make any changes. But if you want to check, you're curious, you want to see, is it really true? And you can see that it's A4 landscape, and the margin is a custom margin. And if you click on the custom margin, you see that it's 2.5 already. You're not making any changes to it. 3 styles has already been created. Do not make any changes to this unless instructed. So I have 3 styles created. So I'm just going to check. I'll click on my home. Okay. And I'm quickly going to just check right here on my styles. Okay. So I have 3 styles created. I'm seeing 2 here. Let me see. Said 3 styles has already been created. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, let me do this. Okay, that's the title. Just hit there, hit and enter. Click on the styles here. Okay, so I have 3 styles created. Yes. So I'll click here. I have 3 styles created. I think I can just pin this here. Just double click on it. You can extract it out, and right here you can just double click on it and then you pin it here. So that makes it easy for you. Okay. All right. Save the document in your work area with the file name VG Review. That's Video Gaming Review. So I'm just going to copy this. Copy. Please take note that a physical copy is what will be given to you for your exam. Okay, physical copy will be given to you for your exam. So obviously you're going to be doing a lot of typing. Okay, so it's best to learn how to be typing it, to be keying in these words, so that when it's time for your exam, it makes it easy for you. Okay, So I'm just going to save this, click on File, click on Save As. It's already here in my source files. I'm just going to backspace this, paste this. Now look at the question again. It said save the document. So this is going to be as a Word document. Okay, a Word document, and this is going to be saved. Okay, I think I can just close this for now. Okay. Make sure that it is saved in the format of the software you're using. So it's done, saved in Word document. So that's done. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. Okay, so what they want to see is evidence of the file type. So I'm going to click on View and Details. Okay, I'm going to right click and do Sort by Date. Refresh. So I have this. I'm going to refresh. So I have this right here. And now the type is Word document, but it's cutting off. So I'm just going to double click on this so that I can have this fully shown. Okay, so I can have this fully shown. So I'm going to take my screenshot right now with my snipping tool. Okay, all you have to do is search for your snipping tool here, and there you have it. Okay, so I'm just going to, or Shift Windows S. That will also give you that as well. Okay, so I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to take my screenshot. Okay, now this is step one, evidence one. So the first step, enter, and I'm going to paste this picture. I can crop it. Don't need that part. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, going to save. It's clear for everyone to see. All right. Remove any page break from the VG review document. Okay, let's remove page breaks from it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to, right here on my home, I'm going to click this to show if there's going to be, to show in the document any page break. So I have this here. Okay, I'm just going to backspace to remove the page break. Okay, and let's see again what other page break. There is a page break here. Click on it, backspace to take it off. And what else? So I have two page breaks and they have been removed. This is very essential for removing showing paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols like your page break. Okay, so let's take note of that. Now I can do this. Place in the header of the document automated file name, automated page number, rather. Place in the header of the document automated page number left align. So let's do this. I'm just going to take this here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on Insert, Headers, 3 columns, and this is going to be left align, page number left align. I'm going to click here. Now right here on header and footer, I'm going to click on page number, current position, plain. So that's done. Don't worry, you can apply it in any page, it's still going to work. Okay. Place in the footer the text market review by, I'm just going to copy this, in the footer, right align. So I'm going to click on go to footer. I'm going to add in my footer 3 columns, right align, and I'm going to paste this. Okay, Ctrl V to paste. So market review followed by space, your name, comma, space, center number, comma, space, candidate number, right align. So space, your name, comma, space, center number AN017, comma, space, candidate number. Okay, make sure, step 3, make sure that all the alignments match the page margin. To ensure that they match, all you have to do is come here to your view and your grid line, and then you can see that they all match, including what? The page number. Very important. I can uncheck this. What else? No other text or placeholders are included in the header or footer area. So I'm just going to take this off. Click here, delete. Click here, delete. Click here, delete. Click here, delete. Okay, header and footer and close. Finally, header and footers are displayed on all pages. Yes, they are displayed on all pages. Yes. Okay. Step 4. Select the subheading video game and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending transactions and advertisement. Now, we're going to use the find. So I'm going to click on my home and I'm going to use the find to do that. Editing, find, transaction, so right here I'm going to click here and I think I found it. Yes, and I'm going to close it. So again, select the subheading video game and the following text up to and including the paragraph heading transactions and advertisement. So this is what they want. From here to what? Subheading video games. That is what they want. Okay. Change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns. Okay. So I'm going to click on layout. Click on layout, columns, more columns, 2 columns. Okay, what else? Of equal width with a 2 centimeter space between them. Now, of equal width, you have to check this, of equal width with a 2 centimeter spacing. 2 centimeter spacing between them, and I'm going to click on OK. Okay. Step 5. Create and store the following styles, basing it on the default or normal paragraph style. The default paragraph style is normal. Okay. So this is going to be, I'm just going to copy this. Copy the style name. Now to create this, I'm going to create it right here. Okay. Click on home. Click on this right here, the dialog box. Okay. Now I'm going to click on normal. Notice the default has to be what? Normal, not body. Normal. And then I'm going to click on a new style. Style based on normal. And right here on your style name, I'm going to paste this. Okay. Sans serif. Now the sans serif are the straight edges. Okay. I have my document right here to show you what they are. Okay, the serif and sans serif right here. Okay. Okay. So here the sans serif, right? We have them in 2 categories: the serif, and then we have the serif, and then we have this the sans serif, and then the serif. The sans serif font have straight edges. This is a good example. They have straight edges. Okay. Whereas the serif have little ticks here. Okay, they do have little ticks at the edge of each letter. And a good example of your serif is your Times New Roman. And a good example of your sans serif is your what? Your Arial. So please, the sans serif is not a font, but rather a category. One of the categories of the font styles. And serif is another category of what? The font style. It is not a font. An example of this type of font is what? Your Arial. Okay, very important. Okay, so now we have what? Sans serif, which is what? Your Arial. Okay, your Arial. The font is 20. Center alignment. Enhancement is bold, italics, single line spacing. Now this is 1.5. This is double. Okay, so this is going to be single line spacing. Space before and after is 0. So I'm just going to click on format, paragraph. Okay, so before and after is 0. Okay, and I'm going to click on OK. Now that has been created. Now the next thing is take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings for the VG word subhead. Make sure that there is evidence that you have based this on the default or normal paragraph style. Place this in your evidence document. This is step 5. Okay, so I'm going to right click, click on modify, and I'm going to take the screenshot right now. Okay, again we have the area 20 center right there, bold, italics, single, and space after is 0. Okay, so I'm gonna take my screenshot right now. The plus. Okay, okay, and this is step 5. Paste. I think this is clear enough. I don't need to. Yes, this is clear enough. Okay, maybe picture format. Just increase this maybe like, I don't know, 5 is fine. And Control Enter to bring this on the new page. It's already, that is enough. All right, I'm just going to save this. So again, there's evidence that you have based this on the what default. So if you check my evidence document here, you will see that it is based on what normal. Okay, which is what the default paragraph style. Okay, and again, this is modified. It means that I have applied it and now I am taking a screenshot after the application. Step 6, identify the 4 subheading in a document and apply the VG subhead style to each one. So let's identify 4. So let's do that. I have 1. Click on the VG subhead. 2. Okay, I have let me see, I think sport is part of them. Yes. And finally, mobile devices. Okay. Locate and move the paragraph. Okay. Just going to close this for now. And I'm just going to do this. No. So, yeah. Locate and move the paragraph. Aggressive competition between then the video game industry. So let me home editing group, fine, and I'll search for video game industry right here. Okay, they say what? Locate and move, not copy. Aggressive competition, okay, between and that to video game what industry. Okay, so that it appears as a new paragraph immediately after the paragraph ending. Gamers control the action. So I'm just going to do this. shift. Okay, let me click here, close. Okay, okay, I have this. So I have gamers control the action. I'm going to find it. Okay, gamers control the action. So it's right here. This is why that's under video game. Okay, so this is going to be against quotation, and immediately after the paragraph ending, gamer controls. Immediately after the paragraph ending, okay, so this is going to be a new paragraph. Okay, and I'm going to do that right now. So I have it here. Okay, cut. Okay, move. Okay, all right. Step 8, using the data in the file n2302players.csv. Create a vertical bar chart to show the worldwide distribution of online gamers for the year 2022 only. So let's open that file. N22 players, view large icons. Okay. Click here, double click. They say what? To create a vertical bar chart to show the worldwide distribution of online game players for the year 2022 only. So I'm just going to, this is region, hold my control, select 2022. Okay. So to create a vertical bar chart to show the worldwide distribution of online games players. So this is the distribution of worldwide online game players, numbers in millions. Okay. So this is 115 million. Okay. Do we have from Africa? Yes. Middle East and Africa, 434 million. Okay. We're getting there. All right. So now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on insert, and then right here on my bar chart, a vertical, not horizontal. This is horizontal. Okay. This is vertical. They want a vertical bar chart. So I'm just going to create it right here. Okay. Label the chart, step 9. Step 9, label the chart as follow. Chart title is going to be this. Just going to copy this. Control A, Control V. Okay, I'm going to click here, click home, make it bold, and I'm going to make it black. Category axis title is region. I'm going to copy this. Now again, this is value axis and this is category axis. Okay, you need to know the difference. This is where you have your y-axis and this is where you have your x-axis. So the x-axis is the category and this is the value. So I'm going to click on the plus right here and I'm going to add the axis title. So here I have what? Which is the horizontal is the category. Okay. Control A, Control V. And I'm going to bold it and add back to it. Okay. Display only the data values along along the top of each bar. Display only the data values along the top of each bar. So let's do that. So here I have what? This is going to be data labels, and it's going to be what? Outside end, which is at the top, along the top of each bar. Do not display a legend. We don't have a legend here. Okay, we had just one color, so no need for a legend. Format the value axis, step 11, the value axis scale to display a minimum of 0. So let's do that. Okay, so right here, I'm going to click here, right click, and I'm going to click on format axis. The minimum is 0, okay. A maximum of 1.5. Okay, hit on my tab and make this 0. Okay. Now the next thing is an increment of 300. So the increment is going to be what? Major. Okay, it's going to be what? Major. 300. So now we have 300, 600, 900, 1215. Okay. Okay, what else? Okay. Step 12. Insert the chart after the paragraph. Insert the chart after the paragraph ending game players in 2022. Insert the chart after the paragraph ending game players in 2022. So let's look at it. Game players in 2022. I'm just gonna find it. That's the beauty of find feature. Game players in 2022. Yes, I've seen it. Okay, I'm just gonna click here. Okay, so game player 2022. So we're inserting it what? After the paragraph ending. Hit on enter. So let's copy the chart. I'm going to copy it. Copy. Go to right here, and I'm going to paste it. Okay. All right. The chart and all data fit within the column width. Yes, they do. They fit within the column width. If I click on my view, click on grid lines, they fit within the column width. That's fine by me. Okay. The data labels are fully displayed in full. Okay. With no overlap. Okay, so here we have data labels display in full, none is overlapping. There is a 6-point space after the chart. So I'm going to hit on enter, home. I'm going to remove space after the paragraph. And 6-point space, I'm going to just do this little trick. Reduce the font and just leave 6. Yeah. Okay. Step 13. The style name VG list has already been created, stored and applied to the 5 list item in the report. Modify the VG list so only the following formatting is applied. Whenever you're modifying, you have to be very, very careful so you don't make mistake. You have to be very, very careful so you don't make mistake. Okay, so when we are modifying now, this is the style name. So again, just to be safe, My cursor is right here at the bottom. Click here. So I have the VG list. I'm going to right click on the VG list, modify it. Font style is sans serif, which is Arial. Hit on my tab. 10. Hit on my tab. Alignment is align to left margin. That's the alignment, align to left margin. Now to do that, I'm going to click on format, paragraph, align to left margin. It means 0. Okay, to left margin is 0. Okay, what else? Italics with number list. That is 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to click on format, and I'm going to click on numbering. 1, 2, 3. Click on OK. Line spacing is single. Click on format, paragraph. Line spacing is single right here. Space before and after is 0. So after here is 0. Okay. So we have this 0, and I'm going to click on OK. Okay. So again, area 10, align to the left, single. Okay. Place in your evidence document screenshot of the style settings for the VG list to show that you have changed this. Make sure that the screenshot show all the changes made to this style. The screenshot shows it. Okay, so right here on the VG list, I'm going to right click on modify. Okay, so right here, I'm going to take all my screenshots. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot here. I'm going to click here, click on plus. Okay, and I'm going to paste it here. So this is what, let's see, what step is it? This is step 13. Okay, this is it here. Enter and paste. I think this is clear enough. Okay, I'm still seeing, I think, picture format, crop. Just crop this a little bit. Okay, so I have this. Okay, it's important that your steps and your screenshots are together. Very important. Okay, don't make the mistake that evidence is one document, your screenshot is one document. They have to be together. Okay, can do this. Okay, they have to be together. Very important. Okay, so save. Format the paragraph. Okay, so format the paragraph that starts mobile gaming is expected. Okay, I'm just going to find it. Click on my find mobile gaming. is, okay, so I have it here. Format the paragraph that start mobile gaming is expected so that it is indented. Format the paragraph that starts mobile gaming is expected so that it is indented 1.5 centimeter from both the left and right hand margin. They said format the paragraph that starts. So you are formatting that paragraph, the whole of the paragraph. Okay. This is the paragraph here. Now this is two paragraphs. Do you understand? This is two paragraphs. So they said format the paragraph that starts. These two paragraphs, obviously, please go to my video on web authoring because I explained paragraph in October, November 2023. That would explain a lot. So this is two paragraphs here. So I said they should format the paragraph that starts with this. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hold my shift and my arrow key. Okay. The paragraph that starts mobile games is expected so that it is indented 1.5 centimeter from both the left and right hand margin. So let's do that. So this is going to be right here under the paragraph. So indented 1.5. Now they said what? 1.5 from both the left and right hand margin. This is left margin, right margin. Okay. Okay. So we'll start mobile games expected so that it is indented 1.5. Okay, from both left and right hand margin. So this is done. Okay. Spell check and proofread your work. So let's do that. Click on review, spellings and grammar. So let's spell check. So there are some spellings here. Let's look at the spellings. Recent, this is wrong. So this should be this. Rapidly, no, this should be this. Grammar, what's the grammar? No, I'm going to ignore this. The average people is, no, I'm going to ignore this. However, comma, the sales, you can take this. Nope. Let's go down. Consciousness. No, I'm just going to ignore this. Ignore. What again? Punctuation, conventions. Nope. No. Levels. No. Okay. All right. Make sure that the list is not split over two columns or pages. So let's check the list. So they are not. Okay, it's not split. That's one. There are no windows or orphans. So Control A, the whole thing, home, paragraph, line break. Yes, there are no windows or orphans. There are no blank pages. Okay, no blank pages. Original styles are maintained. Yes, they are. How do we know this? Okay, I have body, I have subhead. Scroll down again. I have the list. I have the title. So I think we're good. Original styles are maintained. All styles are applied consistently. Yes, they are. Spacing is consistent between all items. That we have made sure of. It is consistent. between all items. We can leave this like this, it's fine. Save the document using the same file name and format used in step 1. So let's go back to step 1 and let's see the name that was used. So this is what VG review, that's video game review, which is what we used. Saved. So let's go back. Print the document. Okay, so let's print this. That's saving. Click on file and print. So we just check it. 2 pages. Okay, fine by me. Remember, it's a landscape, you're not touching anything, and this is to PDF, very important. 1 per sheet to PDF. Okay, this is going to be print out document production. Okay, and I'm going to save this. Now this is where we get to print our evidence document. We are done with everything, so let's print our evidence document. Let's scroll down, which is the final thing we need to do here, and let's print our evidence document. I think we have it here. Let's see. Yes, task 5, printing the evidence document. Make sure your name, comma, center number, comma, candidate number appears on every page of your evidence document. So I've saved this and I can close this. Your name appears on every page. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Click on file, click on print. So I have this as evidence 1, step 1, step 5, evidence 1, evidence 2, evidence 3, evidence 4, and they are all close to the screenshots of each of the evidence. Okay, now remember you're printing to PDF, and it has to be one per sheet. Okay, you're printing one, you're not printing front and back, each of them separately. So print to PDF, and then you have print out. You have the evidence. Okay, evidence document paper 2. Okay, so that is done. Now I can close. Again, it's important to always see how it looks like. Very important, always see how it looks like. I think I printed in paper 3. Okay, so I have this here, paper 2, document production. I'm just going to cut this. Open this here and I'll paste it here. Open the document production to see how it looks like. This is what they're expecting to see. Okay. Then your evidence document, which is paper 2, they're expecting to see this as well. Okay. I want to talk about a very important YouTube channel called Ajiro Tech. Trust me, this YouTube channel is a giveaway. It's loaded with IGCSE ICT O-level, AS, and A-level. So trust me, is a giveaway. This channel is helpful for your group studies, your personal studies, and it has a proven track record of producing excellent results. So do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, okay, and share this YouTube channel with your friend. Trust me, that will be the best gift that you are giving to them. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.